Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Tuesday, August 29, 2023. Yesterday was a consolidation-like day for the markets. We had the tightest range that we've had in a few weeks. So we're going to take a look at that pattern of a narrow range session. Let me go ahead and get this set up. I'm using all four instruments. Our setups based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently, the overnight session is trading at the lows of the session as I record this. Still a tight range, but at its lows. So I'm going to go to the opening filters, click on gap down from the gap directions. Next thing I'm going to do is go to the price patterns library and say that yesterday was the most narrow trading range that we have had in the past 13 trading sessions. So I'm going to grab NR13 from the active today. That means yesterday's range, which is measured from the high of the day to the low of the day, was the tightest range of at least the past 13. It could have been more than that as well. Next thing I'm going to do is go to the indicators library, put us in a similar market environment. Yesterday closed above a 10 and 200-day simple moving average. Then I'm going to click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when gapping down after a narrow range 13 in a bull market environment. Historically, we have 143 samples here in the S&P, 134 in the NASDAQ, 145 in the Dow, 106 in the Russell. Win rates on these coming in a little favored. S&P, the strongest of the group, 62% of them closing above the opening print. For the NASDAQ, it's 58%. For the Dow, 56%. For the Russell, 55%. If we look at the average moves, average move to the downside a little bit larger in the S&P. For the NASDAQ, the average move to the downside is a touch larger as well. That's also the case here in the Dow and the Russell. So all four of them have a little bit larger moves to the downside, historically speaking, but the win rates on them are at least slightly favored, with the S&P having the strongest win rate out of the group at 62%. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.